Hi my dear students, in this video I am going to discuss the trigonometric ratio from the chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. So first this trigonometry we will apply for a right angle triangle. Let us draw a right angle triangle here. So I have drawn here right angle triangle. What is the meaning of right angle triangle? So one of the angle is equal to 90 degree. So such a triangle we call it as a right angle triangle. Here angle B is 90 degree. So this trigonometry we apply only for a right angle triangle. Okay. So here this is a right angle triangle. So we know that using Pythagoras theorem we know that is AC square. What is Pythagoras theorem? It says that the square of the hypotenuse, this one we call it as hypotenuse. The square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two sides are AB and BC, that is AB square plus BC square. So this is a Pythagoras theorem we will apply for a right angle triangle. Okay, so now here in trigonometry, so we have learnt just now it is a hypotenuse. Okay, what are these two sides we call it as? So when we will consider angle C, okay, so angle C when we will take, so for this angle which is opposite this one, AB is the opposite. Okay, so this one we call it as opposite, otherwise we will say that perpendicular. CBSE children they will use perpendicular, state board children they will use the opposite side. Okay, so then this one it is in a base, this is base, right? So base they will use CBSE children. So this one for state board they will say that it is a adjacent side. So adjacent side. Understood? So now, so when we consider angle C, okay, so let us consider angle A now. So angle A when I am considering, so that for that angle, so again here angle B is 90 degree. So when I will see this angle, so for this angle opposite, what is there? BC. So this is called a perpendicular, otherwise opposite side. Okay. So this one is hypotenuse, always it will be a same for both. Then here AB we call it as adjacent side, otherwise base we will say. So by seeing this one we will write the trigonometric ratios. What are the trigonometric ratios? So that is we will say it as a sin C, cos C, tan C. Then here sin opposite is cosec C. Then cos opposite is sec. Secant also we can say that. Tan opposite is cot C. So in this figure, so when I will see that C, so C for that, sin C, what is the trigonometric ratio? Sin is opposite or perpendicular, opposite, otherwise we can say that perpendicular, opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite is what, or perpendicular is what here? AB. So that is AB divided by AC. So for this sin reciprocal is cosec. Cosec how we will write? That is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Otherwise hypotenuse divided by perpendicular also we can write it. So what is the hypotenuse? That is AC divided by opposite is or perpendicular is AB. Okay, so now cos C. What is cos C in this figure? Cos C is, so that is base or adjacent divided by hypotenuse. These are the things you need to remember. So that is adjacent divided by hypotenuse or base divided by hypotenuse also we can say that. Adjacent means here BC, hypotenuse is AC, cos reciprocal is sec, So that is secant. Secant we can write it as hypotenuse divided by adjacent or base, base we will say.